Hey.
Hey, meal preppers, how are you doing? Happy New Year to you. Feels like it's been so long since we've done a video. We did take a week off.
We did? Oops, so sorry.
Take a week off. And, but a well-deserved week off. Hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and your New Year's. And now we're back on track. We're cooking up our food this week. And actually, this went by pretty quick this week, didn't it?
It went by fast. I was surprised.
We roasted a lot of stuff, so while all that was roasting, we made our protein stuff. So and we'll show you a little bit about how it went down. Our doggy is going to be whining here in the backyard. That's all right. But right here, we're going to start probably with the hardest dish, believe it or not. We got a baked dill salmon. We got a baked salmon with a dill sauce here. And then we served it with roasted green beans and some rice. I have a little bit of rice. And then we have this beautiful Greek salsa that it made. This is amazing right here. I would definitely recommend making that. But what's great about this is while the salmon is marinating in a nice little sauce, you make the dill sauce, you make the salsa, and then you throw that in the oven. Because by the time you make this, it's done marinating. You can throw that in the oven to bake. You're already getting your veggies baked, your veggies roasting, and then you can just put that all together.
Puppies whimpering at the door, sorry.
What made it go by quick for us is that we also roasted the sweet potato for this. We roasted the veggies for this one. So by the end, we were just putting everything together.
Yep.
We also roasted the meatballs. So right here, we got a Korean dill. We've made this before. We love it.
Real life, folks. Real life. Keep talking, babe. Keep talking.
So with the Korean meatballs, you marinate the meats, and while you're marinating the meat, you roast the veggies. And then by the time you're done roasting the veggies, you put it all together. We have a steamer that makes poached eggs for us. It is in our kitchen store, so take a look at it. Would highly recommend it. I mean, look at that beautiful poached egg.
Love these eggs.
Look, all four eggs, all perfectly poached.
And
it's
they
a nice
reheat
little steamer.
well.
I don't have it out here, but it's really small. It cost us like $13 at the time. I think the one in the store is like upgraded. You can do more stuff with it. It might be $20, but still worth it. Look at those eggs. We serve this over a bed of field greens and some bok choy. Baby bok choy's got a great crunch, good flavor to it.
Lots of vitamins and minerals.
Yeah, lots of vitamins in there. And then we got roasted sweet potatoes in there. Over here, we've got some meatballs. We changed this up a little bit, but while actually, all of this roasted.
All of this roasted.
But we've got venison.
Yes,
meatballs. We do. Our sister-in-law treated us to some venison. So we got a lot of steaks in there, some other stuff that I don't know the names to. But we've got ground venison. It tends to be real dry.
It's very lean, so it's dry.
Yeah. So what do we do?
So
nice and moist?
If you're using venison, you've got to add moisture to the meatballs so they don't dry out. So number one, we did a basic egg, milk, breadcrumb combo, a binder, which we try normally not to do because we like to keep the meatballs leaner and not add the bread. Yeah. But we also chopped up about a cup of mushrooms, like tiny diced, and mix those in because they'll give off their moisture as they cook, keep the meatballs moist, and also add some fantastic flavor. If you're not using venison, you may not need to add the milk.
I don't need the mushrooms either.
But you should if you like them. But
we even thought about throwing spinach in there.
Venison is not in everybody's freezer, but since most of our followers are in Texas, I don't know. Maybe you do have venison. This was just a pound of ground venison meat.
If you do live in Lakeway, Texas, maybe you are killing some deer.
Who knows?
Who knows if they're just bugging you. But we roasted all these. We did not fry these. We roasted the meatballs and the veggies. We've got broccoli and orange pepper. We were going to do red pepper. You can do any pepper.
They were right.
It just gives you a nice flavor along with the broccoli. And then we got some jasmine rice, our favorite, down below. All these were really fast because we did roast a lot. Even the fish, everything was just roasted. At the end, all I did was fry up the beef, and it was just like everything came together. And I can't wait to eat all of this. Quick note on this, since these are cold, you probably want to dish these up separately. You can put these into those little disposable cups. You can grab a little bowl for that. And then while you're heating this up, then you can just leave these out at room temperature.
Yeah, and I'm working from home this week, so we didn't need to portion those out for me to take to work. Not that I try not to take fish to work anyway.
So you can just dump this on top of your fish and then put the sauce over it. I know that's going to be amazing.
It is.
I can't wait. I love food, guys. Don't you love food? Especially when you cook it yourself, cook with love. Guys, have a great week. Have a phenomenal new year. We got so many things on the chopping block for our app, so we're hoping to get it done soon if I get Amy's help. All right, guys. Take care, team.